What's up guys? So today's video, I'm going to replace this center console from here to here. The reason why I want to replace this because I'm always on a road trip, long drive, so I need to rest my arm while driving. It is best, I recommend you to change your center console with an armrest, because it is relaxing while driving. And also this one, I have problem with this kind of console. The problem I'm encountering here is when the dust stuck in here inside, it is really hard to clean. And if you put your cell phone, card and everything, it is look messy than it has armrest and storage inside the armrest. So there, today's video we will be replacing this with an armrest. So okay, let's start. So first we will be need to move this chair the maximum front. So first we will be needing both chairs to be forward to the max and bend it like this, so we have access here. Okay, now we will be needing Phillips to remove this. Okay, next we will be removing this. Okay guys, so since this is now both removed, the right and left, so now we can pull this up now. Okay, let's pull it up. So we are able to remove the old one and this is the new one. So as I was saying, so it has storage and it is completely covered. Then this one, it everything you put is exposed. It will make your car smell coins, or it is hard to clean. But this one, it is all hidden. No matter how dirty it is hidden. So this is a good buy if you want to this is a good decision if you want to change your old center console. So okay, so upon checking, we have only 2 screw and we have 4 holes and 2 bracket. So here, so we're gonna use this 2 holes only, and this is just open since we don't have bracket here. Okay, so right, let's start. So we are now able to install the center console with an armrest. So look at that, how nice it is. It really, this made me happy. So thanks for watching, guys.